Guys, here in this tutorial we're gonna create a parametric model. So first you have to draw a rectangle, then you have to use widget spline toolbar. Okay, so you can download with the link in the description. You can draw any kind of shape. So here I am drawing a line and delete the extra edges. Now you have to select entire lines and then copy in a Z axis. So here I am copying it 5 times. Now this is your choice, what kind of building you want to create. Any looks, any shapes you can create, depends upon you. Okay, so here I am placing a lines according to my imagination. You can see that the top left corner I want to create a model like that. Okay, you can choose any kind of models, just practice it. So I am just placing line. Now select the entire lines, and here we are going to use Redo curviloft plugins. Select entire lines and click over first option. Okay, you can set the parameters according to your requirements, just like line types, curve shapes. Okay, there are multiple options inside this curviloft. Now press enter button, create a final skin. Now again I am going to create curviloft. This time I'm gonna select this option to make a skeleton. I need only lines to create a pipes or tubes along that line. Okay, select this option, then again hit enter button for final results. Now you have to close the upper opening, so just draw a single line at the edges to close opening. Okay, same you have to do at the bottom. Now here this time I am going to create slices to feel like a floors. Okay, before that you have to save it, and then here we will use slicer 5 tools, that is also free of cost. So select the model, then click over first option, set the parameters. Before that you have to know how much height you want and what the building height. Okay, here you have to set the spacing and the thickness of floors. Okay, now click over OK button. So your model are sliced. Now you have to move this skeleton over here to create a pipes. So now you have to select the entire models lines and then use jhspower var select line along tubes along line. Okay, and set the parameters, the thickness, diameter of pipes. Okay, and then click over OK button. It will take couple of minutes. If your model are complex, line are complex, it will take some times. Now pipes are created. Now I'm going to make it in a black color. Again, I'm selecting this line and again using curviloft plugin, create a skin for a glass. Okay, so now here I'm going to use glass material just like that and move it just over here. That's it. So this is the method that you can use in a SketchUp to create some interesting model in SketchUp. Okay, so if you really like this video, please comment in a comment section. And this Predo older version also free. If you have older version of 2019 before, that is free. Okay, so you can see the difference. Thanks for watching. Please follow me. Thank you.